started. Um, yeah, just waiting for market open right now. Simply as so pattern to the fair. I'm following my finger. What are you doing? What are you doing? I mean, this was a strong inversion, which, as I said, price is gonna probably try and buy up some now, but honestly, just get respected, especially that it's trading below 130 open. It's 8:30 open, but 130 because I'm from the UK. Price is trading below it right now. If price holds strong below this area, we can see some more sell side get taken. I want to see how NYC opens as well. I mean, look at this. This is just a great PJ rate to target, but can't do that yet. I mean, there's a lot of trendline liquidity as well, if you can really see, which is just low resistance liquidity, which this could all get run as well. So it's tricky still to see. I think this is going to still want to hold. I'm still bullish, as I said. I think the targets for buys are just a bit stronger than the targets for sells, especially with everything going on and Trump saying that the war's going to end soon. So I think that's the main reason for me actually trying to stick to the bearish side. Just making a Insta post so people can follow my YouTube as well. Cool. 1 minute to open. And ES is looking like it's trying to inverse this 15-minute, while Enki's looking like it doesn't want to. ES is looking like it wants to close below, but it's not looking like a strong closure. This is not a good inversion. Pretty weak. Oh, so yeah, I think sell side should want to get taken. Live on YouTube as well, you can see my face, which is going to be a bit better. Yeah, immediate rejection from there, which I expected. Let's see what open wants to do. ES going up, NQ going down. We have discorrelated assets. Great, 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 great. Exactly what I want to see. Great. This is exactly what you don't want to see. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. So I want to see the sell side get taken, which I expect prices to start running down. Prices are consolidating. You got data highs. This markup thing open. 9:30 opens right here. The price can inverse this. Nothing, 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 nothing from me. Yeah, now it's starting to run up. Price, 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 price. No setup, nothing from me. All calm, I don't mind. Let's just do this. If there's 2-minute inverses, this can potentially be a play, but it might not work. 2 minutes inversing. I needed more sell side to get taken. No sell side's gone taken, which I really don't like. I really don't like that no sell side's gone taken. It's 1 minute's inversed. Easy be the manipulation leg to keep going lower, but we'll see. Let's just see what happens. Strong reaction, man. Two-minute verse. I just feel like more sell side needs to get taken, which is just. We'll see what happens. Let's go up. Trading above thing open, which is good. I want to see this get tapped into. Give me another entry. I don't really like that. It's way too over standards. Data highs are here, which I can see price going to data highs, but I just don't think enough sell side was taken, honestly, though. It could work. It could easily work. Yes, I don't want to be long here. Yes, Mr. Jeff. I mean, this could work. You have data highs here. It just didn't really give me an entry. This in 1 minute inverse, but I mean, this sell side, it just didn't tap into anything. I just can't trust these moves where price is not taking any sell side. So I'm gonna wait still. Well, price is trading above 130 open, which is good for buys. Sorry about my camera. My camera doesn't work at the moment. I don't know why it's not letting me show my face, which is a bit annoying. We've got more news at 3 o'clock anyway. So we've got IMS PMI at 3 o'clock. We'll see what happens there. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Look. 2 minute inversion. Price not really moving much from that 2 minute. 1 minute here. Could have been a little quick scalp for the 1 minute. That's the only move presented, but I couldn't get into this because no sell side has been taken, no appropriate sell side has been taken. I have a lot of buy side that's been taken. So no, I can't get into this, but price looks like it just wants to keep rallying up, which is fine. It's a manipulated market, that's what it is. Which is all fine. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with a bit of market manipulation. ES is looking absolutely bullish as fuck, mate. Let's see if there's anything on the 30-second. No, there's nothing on the 30-second. Nothing on the 15-second. There was no entry for me except this 1 minute, which is actually starting to work. But the way the markets have been moving recently, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. But data highs here, as I said, such a strong PDRA, so I'm not surprised price is gonna want to gravitate towards these data highs. Nice move up, to be honest. Let's see. What are you trading, Mr. Jeff? What do you trade? Nothing. The only thing I can look for is if price can tap into here, which will give me an entry, or if this wants to get respected as well. If this wants to get respected, this can potentially provide an entry, but it's just what do you want to do, market? What do you want to do? If price wants to respect this to keep going up, then it's GG's. And it is GG's. But trading's all about patience. Just patience, just waiting. The more patient you can be, the more profitable you will be. So Too much, too much, too much. Inversion occurring, but nothing's been tapped. Nothing's been tapped, so it's nothing for me. This 2 minute can inverse. Nothing's been tapped. This 2 minutes, so I'm gonna get respected anyway, so I don't think it's gonna inverse this. First prevent, second presented FEG, IFEG after this one, but I don't think this is gonna hold. I can see price just disrespecting this and continue going up. What we can see, let's see. Yeah, starting to work, beautiful. Fair enough. Fair enough. I was actually gonna take it on one of my combines, but price just run on me. Stupid. This is good though. This is good. Continue going down. As I said, I want to see if this gets respected. And you see how price reacts to here. If price starts closing below 9:30 open, then we're gonna start seeing sells, and this could be the manipulation for price to continue going down. Annoyingly enough, I didn't get this entry, which I wanted to get the entry, but then my flipping copy trader wasn't working. Obviously, this is gonna work out. Obviously, this is gonna work out. There we go. There we go. 2 minute actually worked out. Let's see if this gets respected though. I want to see what happens in this 5 minute. You have 1 minute 30 seconds. I'm gonna wait, see what price wants to do here. Oh. I'm so sorry, bro. I was muted. Yeah, I was gonna get into this 2 minute on one of my combines, but price started to run on me and I just left it. But it is fine. I want to see what happens at this 5 minute. I said if price can close below 9:30 open or 2:30 open, NYC open, and starts not trying to close above here, you might start seeing some sell side get targeted. This is a very beautiful closure. Very beautiful closure, bro. Let's map out 50% of this. If price can tap into 24130, I'll get into an entry for sales. But we just need to see. I wanted this entry here, which would have been so nice. So nice. And then I go on my trading account and I'm on the follow account, not the main account, which is annoying. But yeah, I want to see sell side get targeted. The fact that 8:30 and 9:30 opens all getting disrespected. I want to see price actually want to target the 4,000s, 4,000s, 24,000s, whatever. And then yeah, that would be my move. 15 minute. Look at that closure below. Look at that. I'm saying Enki, what a monster you are, Enki. As I said, I want to see price try and tap into here. 6-2, either one, and then that will be my entry. Let's see if price wants to tap into here. You have news as well. News 15 minute just opened. As I said, this inverse, this 5 minute inverse as well. This could work out though. It starts seeing some displacement below. Start seeing some displacement below. That would have been a beautiful move, Jeff. Beautiful move. We got that entry here. I did say this 2 minute. The only issue why I didn't want to get into the 2 minute early is because I felt like more sell side, more buy side need to be targeted. You got data highs here that price might want to target. So I felt like price running up and not actually sweeping any buy side. I didn't want to get faked out, but that's all fine. As I said, this 5 minute inversion is a very key thing. Price didn't actually tap into the 0.5 range, so I'm not getting into any sales. These markets, I don't care if price works for me. If my setup, if I don't get what I want, I'm not getting in, because this year I've lost a lot of money being too early for setups, rushing setups, because as I said, Trump's manipulating the market. Everyone knows that. Some of the worst price action conditions I've seen in all my years of trading. I've been trading 4.5 years, and these are the worst price action conditions. So that 2 minute, understand why it worked, but there's also understanding why it might have not worked as well. As I said, I still want to see price trying to tap into here, these ranges. For any sells, this 5 minute inversion is key. Yeah. And then any buys, I need to see this 5 minute get inverse. So simple as, Jeff, simple as, I'm looking for entry for sells, for price to tap into these ranges. If price actually disrespect these ranges and inverses this, then buys to target data highs up here. So simple, but I still do believe the sell side needs to get taken before any move occurs. And the key thing that you need to look at as well is this 1 hour inversed as well. So there's a reason why there's a massive drop from this 1 hour. You have London lows here, Asian lows here. They have to get tapped for more buy side to get taken. So that's my move. Simple as. Price doesn't know what it wants to do though, so let's just wait. Best thing you can do is just wait. Any good moves? 111 AZ. I'm looking to target data highs from here. So sorry, my YouTube chat as well, Jeff. Yeah, I'm looking to target, as I said, data highs. That is my target for buys. Price right now is not respecting this inversion. It is closing. As I said, it's disrespecting NYSE open. If price does not want to close above this and it wants to continue trading below, I'm expecting to see at least sell side get taken here, a major sell side get taken here. Don't get fooled by this. As I said, this is good. I want price to try and tap into here, and then I'll get into more sells. But as I said, if price inverses this, then yeah, GG's, buys are still in play, and that is all fine with me. But yeah, I do want to see price try and tap into here. It's annoying that my camera's not showing. Nope, still not tapping, still not tapping, still not tapping, still not tapping. You have a good. If price can close above here, if price can take out these highs and not on ES, then we have another SMT as well that will be provided. I mean, this is an, I wouldn't say this is a bad entry if this gets inversed, but it's still not a good entry. I still want 0.5 of the range to get filled. So, and some people might do that swing though, but I'm doing this recent swing now. But I mean, you can adjust where you put your fibs. Ideally, if you put your fib level here, then that is ideal, but I'm putting it from the swing high that just got made. Which is all fine. I want price to continue doing this. SMT put in. I might try a small move. Yeah, I'm seeing an S&P put in right now, but if this SMT gets respected, yeah, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Cool. I've got an entry. For sales, I'm in sales to see price try and target. Lows back down here. Price putting an S&T with ES as well. So ES took out this, tapped into here. NQ didn't tap into here. This could be the move. Nice. Still, I'll go break even quick because, as I said, this is my funded account. I'm not really trying to risk too much on my funded. I want to start seeing some movement down there. If this can inverse here, this will be so good. This 1 minute can inverse here, then yeah, there'll be GG's for my move. Let's see what price wants to do now. I'll move my slots to break even soon. I'm gonna start seeing some more displacement lower. Alright, cool. Just a little quick scalp. I can see price going back into here. If this inverses, then I will get into another trade again. Just a quick scalp. I'm on my XFA. I'm not really trying to risk too much on my XFA since these price action conditions are so bad. But if this does work out, GG's. As I said, if this inverses here, then go break even, and then yeah, price should want to continue working out. This was actually a very good move, and I'm happy with that. Nice. Keep going down. Show my move. Starts to be there. Of my move, it's fine. I took out 180, as I said. I was in drawdown on my XFAs anyway, so I just want to get some profits back anyway. Simple move. Reason why I got into this is because I did say I want to see 0.5, 0.6 of the range get filled. Optimum price would have been here. Price didn't want to actually tap into here. You had an SMT with ES, as ES tapped into here. NQ didn't tap into here. But as I said, this can still play out. So it can still continue going running up to try and fill this imbalance. So that's why I go into a little quick scalp. But and the fact that price is attempting to tap into and is rejecting, this is why I got out. But as I said, price can still work from here. You have macro times happening now as well. So it's macro times, which is good. And you've got news in 4 minutes. So I didn't really want to be into news, but that was my trade. Quick little scalp. Would have made how many points? 20 points, 20 point move. Price is looking like it wants to push down from here as well. Did anyone take this trade that I took as well? If you did, just put a nice little W in the chat if you did. W in the chat if you took that trade with me. Oh, seen a couple people on YouTube take it. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. I think this should still work out. The fact that it's still respecting here as well. It's still trading below 8:30 open. But I don't want to be in consolidate. It could consolidate because the news is coming out. That's it. Yep, see the price starting to run back up now, which is I would have been break even. I would have been breaking. I would have gone break even once price tapped into here and didn't respect. So you can still go break even again now because price did not actually want to inverse this 1 minute. This could still work out, but as I said, news is coming out. So if anyone is in the trade, I'll definitely say go break even, start reducing some of your risk. But price could literally drop down in 2 minutes either way. So, and the fact that this keeps getting respected as well is very nice. So yeah, let's see what price wants to do. That's my first move I took. Entry there, stop was actually here, around these highs, around here. I'm not in the trade anymore. I'm not in the trade. Anyone thinking that was just a trade I showed? I actually got out here, to be honest. Simple one-to-one. Simple one-to-one trade. My full TP was around here, and if you really want to have a full TP, you can put your target around London lows, which should still work. I mean, I could potentially get another re-entry, to be honest, because price is definitely disrespecting this. Definitely get a re-entry if you want to, because price, as I said, keeps disrespecting this. But you have news coming out, and I just don't want to be in for news. I don't want to be in for news. I advise you guys don't be in for news as well. So she's disrespecting this. want to go to data high, to be honest. I don't want it again. This might just want to go data highs though, which is all fine. How delayed is it? Apparently my YouTube's delayed. I'm gonna come off YouTube and it's delayed, which is a bit annoying. I'll run it back up.